Good morning, chemistry students. Welcome to Wednesday, April 15th. Today, I would like to have you take a few moments just to think about how this whole e-learning process is working for you. To really take a few moments and think, how is it going? Is this e-learning process working for you? Or is it stressing you out? I do not want anything that we're doing to be adding stress to your life. I'm hoping that this whole e-learning process is something where it's a diversion. It gives you an opportunity to just focus on academics. It gives you an opportunity to focus on things outside of what's happening in our world today. But if you are stressed, if this e-learning is causing you more stress, just fire me an email. Let me know how you're doing. Just take that time and reach out and say, Mr. Hippemeyer, I don't want to do all the stuff we're doing. Can you modify assignments? Can we do something different? The answer is absolutely. But I need you to let me know how you're feeling. For some of you, you may be glad to actually have something to do. For some of you, you may not feel that this is challenging enough. You're like, Mr. Hippemeyer, this is way too easy. We're going at a third of the pace that we normally go, and you may want to learn more. You can email me that as well. One size does not fit all here. So I just want to let you know, I want to reach out to you and let you know that we can modify this so that this e-learning is a positive in your life. Obviously, I would love it if you would come away learning something about chemistry as we do this. But that's not critical. That's not the biggest factor. The biggest factor is, how are you doing? So reach out, let me know how you're doing. If you're submitting an assignment, you could just say, Mr. Hippemeyer, this is not working. I don't like this. This is stressing me out. Or you could say more. Whatever you need to say, that's fine. Let me know. Have a great Wednesday, and thank you. Thank you for all you're doing.